How to cancel your Gemini credit card safely. First of all, make sure your credit card balance is fully paid and there are no pending transactions. Next, log into your Gemini account through the app or website and navigate to the cards section. Once in the cards section, locate the option for account management or card settings and select close or cancel card. Gemini may ask you to confirm your decision and provide a reason for cancelling. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the cancellation request. It is recommended to download or save your transaction history and statements before closing the card for your records. After submitting your cancellation request, contact Gemini support to confirm the card has been successfully closed and that no unexpected fees will be charged. Once the cancellation is confirmed, your Gemini credit card account will be closed and your personal information will remain secure. Now you know how to cancel your Gemini credit card safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.